Hey guys, my name is Nelly Nyaga and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to obtain this watercolor crochet look. As you can see, there's some part where it's my natural hair, so let's jump into it. I have fussy type of hair and today I was using Angel's Italian curl. That is actually good, it's tangle free, but remember, any synthetic hair tangles, but it's how you maintain it. I was using number 133, which is a mix of black and brown, dark brown to be precise, and I wanted to mix it with black so that I can obtain an ombre look. So I was a little bit in a hurry because tomorrow I'm supposed to go somewhere and this hairstyle needs to be done as soon as possible. So I wanted this hairstyle to be versatile. I wanted a middle part and a side part because I'm very indecisive, so I need to have two options. I was doing a little leave out so that the hair looks a little bit natural. I wanted it to be as thin as possible because if it's thick, it's going to be caught up by shrinkage. My hair really shrinks a lot and I don't like it. Any humidity that touches this hair shrinks my hair immediately, even if I'm just from straightening my hair. Guys, this is actually my first hair tutorial and I don't know how I feel about it, so if you have any suggestion or anything that I'm doing wrong or I'm doing right, please don't fail to write it down in the comment section. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you're learning something from the video. So I wanted also to leave some hair on the side because you can see my forehead. I don't want to increase it further. You're protecting the edges as much as possible. I always divide my hair into two, like from the ear down I do a circle line just to make sure that when I part my hair there are no visible spaces in between, and in the front I do just straight lines. With the middle and side part, I always make sure I do thin lines close to the leave out, just so when I come with the crochet doesn't look bulky. I've really struggled with hair growth, and to see my hair this long, it's just something that makes me really happy. When you're doing the lines, always make sure that they are loose because when they are tight, you're going to hurt your scalp when you're passing through the metal crochet. So make sure that it is loose so that you don't actually regret doing the hairstyle. I'm starting now on the back and I do a circle as I told you previously. For the extra hair that remains after I've done the circle, oh, my hair is long, guys. Okay, pardon me. So I go underneath the other lines with the crochet to pull it underneath so that I don't have to use a thread to actually sew it in. I didn't want to use a thread. I always never use a thread because I don't like it on my hair. I want all natural today except from the hair that I'm using. But guys, why am I shading like this? Have you seen the state of my neck? I want to know something that I can do to correct this. So I was mixing the black and the number 133 and I'm using Bamsi molding wax. First I have to oil my scalp. I know this looks bad, that's the only oil that I had remaining, but I'm going to get some. And yeah, so the Bamsi, I always like going through my hair with it just to make the stray hairs sleep. Let's just start crocheting. The first thing that I'm going to teach you is the invisible method. So I just pull it in, then you do the first knot and the second knot, then I tighten it up. Easy. Let's do it again so that you cannot forget. One, first, second, then you tighten it up. This is done, nice and fully put. I have brown one and I have this like black one, just to give that ombre look. Already in love, but I'm going to be doing now the front part. I'm going to be showing you how to do an invisible line. I thought that would be nice, and I'm going to be using black. So on this one you need to have a tiny strand. Don't want it to be too thick. So this is my strand of hair. Just to secure it, I can come in with another strand now. I pick up another strand. Make sure that the forward strands are thin, just so that they can look invisible. Okay, so I just go in forward. Don't pull, don't use a lot of force when pulling it, just pull it. That this is the invisible line. You first inside, then double do it, then tighten it, then when you pull also this one, then you hide it like that. Guys, I think I'm done with the entire head. So this head looks, this side looks less, this side looks more, this side looks less. So let me fill up this side as well. They are even, but I want to, this side looks chunky, this side, because this one I've used bigger chunks. This side I use smaller chunks, so I'm going to go in with brown bigger chunks to make this side look big. Okay, but here's how it looks like on the back. Yeah, I feel like I've filled it nicely, like it's not lacking. So let me do this side to make it plumper. I've already balanced the sides, and I want now to remove the levels. You can see how cute and natural it looks. Also the side part, but the middle part, but this middle part isn't giving. I don't know, but it looks cute, but it's not giving. The side part is the main star of the show. I was going for the side part, then the sleek edges on the side. I don't know why people are telling me I have not finished my hair. My hair is done, guys. My hair is done. I just want edges on this side. So I'm trying to get hair to look less chunky, but yeah, chunky is good, but I don't like it to be so chunky. So the mousse kind of helps it calm down and just bring everything together. And I'm using an organic mousse. Still trying to get the silk edges, so I'm removing some more hair to get that final look. And I used a lot of gel, a lot of molding wax, like I was mixing anything to get the look that I'm actually going for, and it actually came to light. I didn't come up now. I had a million trials before I got the final result, but I'm happy with the outcome of everything, and you're going to see the outcome. You already have seen the outcome. This wasn't the outcome, but I turned the camera off and tried to get that look a million times, and it came to life, so I was happy with the outcome. Now this was the outcome. Girl, the way I loved how this hair looked, and this is the glue that brought everything together. You can see in the package right now, I don't remember the name, but it is a very nice glue, so you can go look for it. Mix it with molding wax so that it looks this silky. Hi.